you're still talking about it. Every damn day you're posting the vision, texting your boys the big plan, telling everyone what you're about to do. And nothing changes. Nothing. What if the reason you're still stuck? This video is called Level Up in Silence. Don't talk, just work. Stick with me. I see you. You wake up already tired, overwhelmed, scrolling before your feet even hit the floor, self-doubt screaming in your head that you'll never break through. You feel it in your chest, that heavy, quiet panic that another year is about to disappear and you'll still be exactly where you are right now. This video is not for everyone. It's not for the ones who need another motivational speech to feel good for 10 minutes. This one is only for the man or woman who's finally sick of their own excuses. If you stay till the end and actually do what I'm about to tell you, you will not recognize yourself in 30 days. But you have to be ready to change who you are. Not tomorrow, right now. Let's go. Let me ask you something. How many times have you told someone, I'm grinding, I'm changing my life, only to quit 2 weeks later and feel like a fraud? I've been exactly where you are. 3 years ago, I was that guy. Gym membership paid for, new planner filled out, group chat blowing up with my 2023 goals. I talked so much my own mother started rolling her eyes when I opened my mouth. Then the crash came. Bills piled up, body stayed soft, dreams stayed dreams. And the worst part? People started asking less. They stopped believing me, because talk is cheap and everyone can smell it. Enough! That's when I learned the brutal truth most people die without ever hearing. The world doesn't reward the loudest dreamer. It rewards the quietest doer. I watched a guy I used to train with disappear from Instagram for 9 straight months. No stories, no day 47 of 75 hard, no motivational quotes, just radio silence. Then one day, he dropped a transformation picture. New body, new business, new life. People lost their minds in the comments. He never replied to a single one. He just kept working. That hit me like a freight train. I was still the same loud, inconsistent version of myself, and he had become unstoppable. Because he chose silence. Level up in silence. Don't talk, just work. Let me hit you with another story. This one might sting. There was a kid in my old office, smart, talented, talked about starting his own agency every single Monday, had logos made, domain bought, pitch deck ready, told the whole team. 6 months later, still at the same desk, same complaints, same excuses. His ideas? Someone else launched them in silence and made 7 figures. You know why? Because while he was explaining his vision, the other guy was executing in the dark. Every time you announce your goals, you rob yourself of the pressure that actually creates greatness. You leak the energy, you get the dopamine hit before you've earned it, and your brain thinks the job is already done. I've been exactly where you are. I know the pain of watching your life stay the same while your mouth keeps moving. But here's what changed everything for me. One random Tuesday, I deleted every social app off my phone. I told no one about my new routine. I woke up at 4:47 a.m., no alarm post on my story. I worked out like a savage, no gym selfie. I built my business in total silence for 90 straight days. No updates, no hustle culture quotes, just work. And something insane happened. The results started speaking so loud I didn't need to say a word. That's the power nobody talks about. When you level up in silence, the world has no choice but to notice. No hype, no cap, just undeniable proof. Level up in silence. Don't talk, just work. Right now, you are choosing. Every single time you open your mouth to tell someone what you're about to do, You are choosing comfort over greatness. You are choosing average over legendary. You are choosing to stay exactly where you are. Stop stealing from your future. The version of you that actually makes it, he doesn't post about the grind. He disappears. He works when no one's watching. He lets the results do the talking. This is your moment of truth. Are you finally ready to shut up and become that man? Here's the blueprint. No fluff, no excuses. Start today. Step 1, go dark. Delete the apps or hide them for at least 90 days. No stories, no progress updates, no validation. If you must post, do it once after the win is undeniable. Step 2, create your silent hour. Every single day, pick one non-negotiable block, 60 minutes minimum, where you work like your life depends on it. No music with lyrics, no phone in the room. Tell nobody. This becomes your church. Step 3, track in private. Buy a cheap notebook. Write your daily wins every night. No one ever sees it. The only person you answer to is the man in the mirror. Step 4, when the urge to talk hits, do 10 more. Feel like posting that workout? Do 10 extra push-ups instead. Want to text your boy about the new idea? Close the phone and ship one more piece of work. Turn the craving into fuel. Step 5, protect the silence like it's your last breath. If someone asks what you're up to, smile and say, working. Nothing more, ever. These steps are simple. They are also brutally hard. That's why 99% of people will never do them. Be the 1%. Listen to me. You were not born to stay stuck. You were not born to scroll, talk, and die with your dreams still in your head. The pain you feel right now, that's your future self begging you to change. So make the decision today. Close this video, put the phone down, and disappear into the work. Level up in silence. Don't talk, just work. Level up in silence. Don't talk, just work. And when they finally see what you've become, they won't ask what you did. They'll only ask, how? Now go. The clock is ticking. If this hit you in the chest, comment the word silence right now. Subscribe if you're done being average, and send this to one person who needs to hear it, because real ones lift each other up in silence. I'll see you at the top. Now shut up and work.